Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can draw on Google Docs computer. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So in order to draw or write something on Google Docs, we need to use one tool called drawing. Just go to the insert. Here the option called drawing. Go to the new, and here we have the some features that you can draw on Google Docs. First, we can insert any shapes, arrows, callouts, equation in Google Docs like this. Okay, you need to select any shape and just draw on the that canvas like this. Okay, you can minimize, maximize the size. You can also change that color. Okay, you can also increase that border line thickness and the style also. And if you want to write something with your own, then you can use this line options. Okay, here we have the lots of option in line because arrow line, elbow connector, cut connector, curved, polyline. Okay, like this. Okay, once you're done, just double click on that point or just hit the escape button. It will be complete. Okay, and here under the scribble you need to just select the scribble and you can write the your thing, like you can write your name, you can sign also, you can write anything. Okay, once you're done, from here you can change that color, that thickness and the style. Once you're done, just go to the save and close. It will be inside here. You can maximize or minimize the size like this. If you want to move it, make it the in front of text, and now you can move it easily. And if you want to customize again, you need to double click on it. Now it will be take you to the drawing option, and from here you can customize your things and go to the save and close. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.